Welcome back to Caffeine Fueled Adventures. Don't forget, if you like us, share this with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe. On today's episode, we rode from our house in St. Joe Township, Michigan, down to the pier and the lighthouse. We rode our e-bikes. Mine's Lightning, and I call Randy's Thunder. It's only about a 2 to 3 mile ride from our house down to Lake Michigan. We usually park our bikes right by Lions Park Beach, and then we go for a walk down to the lighthouse by Silver Beach. This trip was in early May. Later, after Memorial Day, this area gets very crowded with tourists. Before the summer season starts, they'll clean up all the sand off the sidewalks and the roads. This year, they got some new play equipment that they're busy installing, and it should be supposed to be by Memorial Day, but we'll see. When you walk through the parking lot at Silver Beach, at the end of the parking lot at the entrance to the South Pier, you'll come to this 50-foot sculpture. It's almost 23 years old, and it's called And You Seas by sculptor Richard Hunt. We came on a beautiful day, but just a reminder, if you come on a day when it's very windy and you see the waves coming over the pier, please don't walk on the pier. There's been many people that have been washed into the lake. During the summer season, the lighthouse offers tours and you can go up to the top. There is a small fee. The pier is a popular place for fishermen also. You'll see them lining it in the summertime. And we finish the ride and the walk off with some ice cream. Cabana's Ice Cream is a favorite spot in the summertime for ice cream. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.